First of all, your dust is looking great. But, you know, eventually I'll have to clean it, you know. And Bo's gonna be pissed. I'm fucking pissed. Hey, cute. He likes to catch the food when it's falling. He likes the real action. Bro, this shit got dirty fast. The fuck? The messy motherfucker. Oh, my bad. I keep making his bubbles. Now I know why. That's so cute. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't really know what the plan is fully of like how to scoop him. He got dirty fast. I got him like 4 fucking days ago. This dirty mother. And I got a bunch of food in here too. But why is it so dirty already? That's so concerning. Okay, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get it with this. I don't know what to do. Please go in there. Please go in there. Fishy. Please swim in there. Yes. Good job, fishy. Oh, yay. Good job. Oh shit. I gotta put water. This has to be so traumatic. Oh my god. Holy shit. You guys keep an eye on him. This should be good for now. This is for a widow, okay? He's so confused. There's some foodie there for you. Now, I'll take this shit out. Oh my god. It's cut out underneath this. It like hides out there sometimes. Hopefully this shit doesn't get infected. Look how fucking dirty this is compared to that. I mean, it's not that bad. But it's bad. 4 days. Am I doing something wrong? I don't remember it getting that bad after this. I've had this Say hi to the camera. Come over here. Luke. Oh yeah, listen to. Like, you'll be starting to make bubbles in this one too. Oh, you'll be back. Dang, all this bubble necessary on. Not even it. I'm sorry, baby. He's confused, bro. Alright, Mr. Muffin. We'll get you moved in quickly. Ready? Let's dump this to the area. Okay. Like that. You guys will see him, but there's a little camera set. Okay. Ew. Mr. Muffins, don't you want to watch this? Mr. Muffins, this is gross. Look at this. This is your poop. This is your gunk. A lot of it's food, honestly. He's too ashamed to even look. Disgusting, Mr. Muffins. Disgusting. JK, bro, I understand. Sorry. What do I even clean it with? I don't use soap, right? What are you supposed to clean it with? Toilet paper. Yeah? I don't know, bro. You tell me. Hey, is it cool to watch it? Told you you'd be interested. should be good enough. I'm gonna clean it with that conditioner that we have. And then that way it'll be like detoxified anyway. She made me, oops, sorry. She made me buy this lady. She wouldn't let me leave without it. Do you have conditioner for her? No. Sorry. I got it for you, don't worry, bro. You get the premium series. Premium.
Don't touch me!
You're cutesies. Okay. Seems weird. So now, I'm gonna just, I don't know. Okay. So, crack this open. And my thinking is, you know, something to just clean it other than water. Just put this in to clean it around, you know? I don't know what with. Maybe with the remnants of the way. Maybe squeeze it down a bit. Yeah. I don't know if it's jelly. Like, it's more liquidy. It's like a gel type of thing. So why not clean it with that? So it's already like prepared, but now the fucking, yeah, this is falling apart. Okay. Squeeze it in there, just, you know, whatever. I don't want to use a freaking washcloth for my fish. You know, I don't want to get fishy. I just wash it around, squish it. That's jelly. It's jelly. Clean that up a bit. Put in the little hideout as well. Mr. Muffins. The slow turn. Mr. Muffins. Yes, you. Yes. Look at the premium service I am doing for you, okay? Yeah. Okay. Just want you to know. You're getting the best. That's all I wanted to say. Check the temp. So does not like the loud noises. Me neither. Me neither. I get you on that. Alright. How's this looking? Huh? How's it going? Alright, we're doing this again. Both judging me so hard right now. We're doing this again, Mr. Muffin. Last clean round. It obviously needed one more clean. All good. And we'll still do this. We'll still put it in here. How about that? It's probably a little too much, but 5 drops. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little warmer. Sorry, Miss Mother, I just want to get perfect for you. Alright. And then put this in like that. Okay. There we go. Is that good? Y'all can see that? Yo. Alrighty, Mr. Muffin. Yuck. Yay! Is that focus? Alright. Are you ready to go back? You like it? Ready? Ooh. Okay. Oh shit. Fuck. Imagine if I dropped him there. Alright. Alright, Mr. Muffin. Where you go? No, it's good. Oh shit, it's overflowing. Maybe you're right. For real, girl? Alright. Fuck, I'm making such a mess. Yeah, it's good, Mr. Muffin. A little more. Okay. That's good, Mr. Muffins. I don't think he's listening. Ready? Down the hatch you go. Trust, it's okay. Yeah. Yay! Yay, Mr. Muffins. Ooh. Yay!
Don't touch me!
Is it a good temperature for you, mister? Seems nice. Alrighty. There he is. I think he's getting used to it. Where's that a little bit more? Disoriented. The muffin. Dee dee dee. Do you like it? Does he like it? Squeeze his bag. Well, there you go. I cleaned my baby on camera. I was so camera shy. Let's see, can he still go under? I want to make sure there's room for him. Because sometimes he likes to go underneath. And I want to be able to access it. I don't know, I'll figure it out. There we go. I think that works. The muffins, I'll leave you alone. Oh, he's eating the fucking paper. That's it. Alright, Mr. Muffins, we're going back. How we doing, Mr. Muffins? We doing good? I hope you like it. It's clean, Mr. Muffins, and I found a way to like prop it up a bit so you can get under there. Well, he's camera shy, so I'll put it down.